How to piss off a old guy on his mower in under 15 seconds.
He's riding his lawnmower on the road.
He's recording it.
Yeah.
Get these guys in jail. Should be doing drugs instead of riding dirt bikes.
Dude, like what? Really like that?
I'm in the middle of fucking buttfuck nowhere, riding on the pipeline.
Fucking
what am I
Granville,
doing?
dude.
Sorry I bothered you on your fucking fine Sunday afternoon. You could have mowed your lawn.
Yeah, what?
You can definitely hear the pitters while you're running your fucking lawnmower. Yep.
Yup. Geeking.
Dude, Rick's definitely gonna pull up on the way back, right? Definitely calling the cops right now.
I'm gone if Rick pulls up.